Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2013 Mazda 6 stock number 7311. It's run from 11th 2012 to the 2nd 2018. It's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, left hand taillight, rear boot lid, right hand taillight has sun cracks, right rear 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror slightly faded, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 17-inch factory Mazda tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console loop, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,